This should keep the worst of the cold out.
I'll get more wood for the fire.
Good lad. Hold on tight! We're almost there!
Dad, I can't see!
Inside, now, go!
I'm trying!
Let's get these panels clear.
Okay, Dad.
Good work.
It's working.
Look how it's melting so nicely.
It's all turning into water.
Exactly. Just a little more patience. It's been tough, but I'm here for you.
I know, Dad. Thanks.
Always. Hang on, son. I'll get this fire going.
It's so smoky.
I know. Just breathe. I've got you, son. You're safe in here.
It's so warm, Dad.
We'll stay right here. Look, rabbit footprints. They lead into the forest.
Wow, Dad, can I see?
Of course. Kneel down and look. Easy now, little one. We'll get you to safety.
It's so still.
It's scared. We'll be careful. Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, almost ready?
Just a little longer.
Okay, Dad. Wow, Dad, the cabin looks amazing.
It sure does, son. We made it through.
We did it, Dad!
Yes, we did. I'm proud of us. Look at them shine, son.
Wow, Dad, they're so clean.
And the battery is full.
Whee! That was fun.
That's my boy.